Meaning of horrific.
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 Horrific. The term horrific refers to something that is extremely shocking, disturbing or terrifying. It implies a level of fear or anxiety that is difficult to bear, often leaving one feeling traumatized or deeply disturbed. The impact of a horrific event or experience can be long-lasting and profound, affecting mental health, emotional well-being, and physical health. Examples of horrific events might include natural disasters, acts of violence, or accidents resulting in severe injury or loss of life. In short, the word horrific represents a level of horror that is difficult to comprehend, and evokes a deep sense of fear and terror in those who experience it.